Crystal. Say hi, Blaze. Say, hey, Jack. Say hi, Sammy. Say, I love you guys. Say, I love you guys. Oh. Say, I love you, Auntie Crystal. Say, I love you, Uncle Blaze. Say, I love you, Uncle Blaze. Say, I love you, Sammy. You're my favorite cousin. Say, you're my favorite cousin, Sammy. You want to talk? Hey, Jack. You want to talk? No, you don't want to talk? What's wrong? Oh. You're such a nerd. Don't eat your whole hand. Don't eat your whole hand. That's not good. Now you're just tempting me. Don't eat your hand. What? Hey. What? What did you say to me? What? What? You want to talk to me? Oh, you just had a burp. Do you want to talk to me? Oh, crap.